Hi everyone, welcome to Food and Spices. Today we'll be showing you how to make Oreo cheesecake. अगर आप ये वीडियो उर्दू में देखना चाहें तो नीचे दिए हुए लिंक पे क्लिक कीजिए. The first part is the Oreo crust, for which you will be needing 30 crushed Oreo cookies and 2/3 cup of melted butter. In a bowl, mix the crushed Oreo cookies and the melted butter. Just make sure that the Oreo cookies are finely grounded. Once mixed, your mixture will look somewhat like this. It should resemble a wet sand-like texture. Now you can grease a spring-form cake pan, and if you like, you can use parchment paper as well. Now you can pour out the Oreo crust mixture into the pan. Spread it out evenly with the use of a cup or a measuring cup. Once the crust is evenly distributed and set, you can refrigerate it for 30 minutes. While we wait for the Oreo crust, we can move on to making the cream cheese filling. For the cream cheese filling, we will be needing 2 packs of cream cheese, 2 cups of heavy fresh cream, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 5 to 6 crushed Oreo cookies, and half cup of icing sugar. We can start making the cream cheese filling by whisking the fresh cream until soft peaks are formed. In a separate bowl, add the cream cheese, the icing sugar, and the vanilla extract, and mix all of these together really well. Now you can add the fresh whipping cream to the cream cheese mixture, and mix the two together. Now roughly mix in the Oreo bits and pieces into your cream cheese filling. After 30 minutes, your crust is now ready for the filling. Add the cream cheese filling and spread it out evenly over the crust. The cheesecake is now ready to refrigerate for 4 hours. Now we're ready to decorate our cheesecake. Here we have used some chocolate ganache, but you can use whatever you please. Here we're using some whipping cream to decorate the borders of the cake. And of course, no Oreo cheesecake is complete without the Oreos. So you can place them like so. And there you have it, our Oreo cheesecake is now ready to serve. We highly recommend that you guys try this, as it is such an easy cake to put together. And it tastes so yummy. Can you tell I love cheesecakes? If you enjoyed this video, please support us by hitting the subscribe button. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.